Imagine traveling abroad without exchanging cash. You open your Pi wallet, pay a merchant, buy a service, or send Pi to someone anywhere in the world. That is where Pi network becomes interesting, not just as crypto, but as a potential payment network. Welcome to Pi News World. The big question is, can Pi become a global payment system? Crypto is often discussed around price, listings, and market cap. But the most important factor may be utility. Pi Network is building an ecosystem around wallets, apps, merchants, and payments. But real success requires adoption. Merchants must accept Pi. Users must spend Pi. Transactions must be easy and reliable. Imagine sending Pi from Rwanda to someone in India, Kenya, Nigeria, or Europe, and that person using it directly for goods or services. That could make cross-border payments much simpler. However, we must be realistic. Pi is not yet a proven global payment network. Challenges remain, including regulation, liquidity, volatility, and merchant adoption. That is why, at Pi News World, we believe utility matters more than hype. Instead of only asking, how high can Pi go? We should ask, what can we actually use Pi for? Can people buy products? Can businesses accept Pi? Can users send Pi internationally and use it easily? These questions will shape Pi's future. Imagine entering a restaurant abroad, opening your Pi wallet, scanning a QR code, and paying. If that becomes simple and widely accepted, Pi could move beyond being an asset people simply hold. It could demonstrate real-world utility. So watch the ecosystem, merchants, applications, and adoption, not just the price. This is Pi News World. What would you buy first if Pi became a widely accepted global payment method? Comment below, subscribe, and follow for more Pi network updates. Pi may be more than price. Its future could depend on real utility and adoption.